Hey everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna go through viral app which is called UMAX Become Hot. So yeah, this is like a very popular app where you can just see some improved like analysis of your face and how to use UMAX. Just take a selfie and get your analysis. And if you want to become more attractive, UMAX will help you get there faster than anybody else. We believe anybody deserves to be confident in themselves, but you have to work hard. We will provide you with the tools and information to begin your self-improvement journey. We're currently helping users improve their facial attractiveness, but we're expanding soon. So if you have any ideas or questions, email us at contact@umaxapp.com. But there you have it. So basically how it works, you just upload a front profile selfie, you get an analysis, and then you see some recommendations. So yeah, let's just open it up, and here's how it looks like. So you can't do anything for free here. So you just need to upgrade right away. And then for that upgrade, you get one scan per week. So one free scan per week. And then you can only do one scan of your face. And then if you want to do multiple scans, you will need to pay additional price for those, which is still around like $4. It's like here you can see just the price in Danish krona. It's like 40 Danish krona, but it just depends on the app store where you are in which country. So yeah, like what you need to do, basically what I did, I upgraded, and I will show you is it worth upgrading for you or not. So you just need to do a front selfie, then you do a side angle selfie, and then you do ear back side selfie, kind of like where you just your ear is facing the camera. And yeah, by the way, this app is for boys and girls, like male and female, because there is another app called LooksMax, which is only for guys for some reason. But this app you can just use with any gender. So here it is. So let's just check it out. So here's like, for example, my image. I just took like a random photo I had, just like a random photo. And then I also uploaded side angle and side selfies. And then there you have it, your ratings. Overall 68, potential 84. So they just claim I can improve my looks to 84. And then you have different categories, specifically masculinity, skin quality, jawline, cheekbones. So that's like, as you can see, completely kind of random. So I need to say, like, I don't think you should take this app like too seriously. This app is not some kind of like, professional advice or something. This, of course, this is like a fun app which is going viral on TikTok and using AI models. It's not perfect, but I think it's a very interesting concept. So yeah, anyhow, so you see then again, masculinity, moderate face shape, round, eye shape, round eyes, eye type, gray, tilt, neutral. And then there are some recommendations how you can improve with this app. So it just says, for example, in my case, groom your eyebrows. You've got thick eyebrows, but it's important to take them each week to groom them. Get rid of an acne. Start a skincare routine. Skincare routines are crucial for everybody. You should start today. Round face styling. Deciding the best hairstyle for you is largely based on your face shape. Grow a thicker beard. Strengthen your jaw. So that's what you have. There is like nothing else, and then you just have it here. The one like downside that this app is in active development, it's quite hard to share it. So to share it, you probably just need to take a screenshot and then just share a screenshot on Snapchat or whatever, Instagram. There is not even like a share button if you just want to share it to your friends on Instagram story or whatever. So that's just what it is. But yes, you can see there you have it. They just use an AI model which just scans the face and gives recommendations what you can improve. Like some of the things actually can give you some nice ideas and some nice thoughts actually. Yeah, and there is another app called LooksMax. So in that other app, which is like a competitor to this one, LooksMax AI. What they do is I actually like is that when you just get your result, you are also you have a list of products which you can buy. So and then you just you can just buy those products. And yeah, so But all right, so here it is. And then again, if you just wanna scan again, you will need to upgrade. Otherwise, you need to wait 4 days for your subscription. So yeah, there you have it. Then as you can see that I'm already upgraded. You can reach out to support, share with friends. You can just share the link, but that's what it is. Yeah, and that's what it is. Super simple app. And then there is like a second tab where you can basically see like the different the library, how it looks like, and what you need to learn, and stuff like that. So here you have that. So yeah, that's what it is. I don't know if you can delete. There is no your account basically, so you can't delete it. And then you can't, like if you want to delete your result, you also can't do that. So yes, you can see it's still kind of in development. It's still being built out, and probably there will be more features coming out here. So that's just what it is. But yeah, so this is just like an overview. So hope it can be helpful. That's just like an idea. So yeah, give a look at this app, and give a look also at UMAX if you're a guy. These are like two major apps at this moment. So it seems there is some kind of new AI model or something, because I remember the moment when there were a lot of new AI avatar apps. This is not AI avatar, but this is another like hype wave of these AI tools. So yeah, pretty cool. And if your friends sharing it on TikTok, just also you can share it out. You can try it out, and then there's that. Then if you don't like it, you can always just go to your subscriptions, tap here on subscriptions, and cancel it from there. So that's what it is. Hope this is helpful.